Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Veg Thukpa soup at home. First, gather your fresh vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and spinach. Next, prepare your noodles. You can use homemade or store-bought options. Finally, finely chop garlic, ginger, and green chilies to create the aromatic base for your delicious soup. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a flavorful outcome. Now, let's build that incredible broth. Begin by sautéing your chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies in a tablespoon of oil until they are fragrant and slightly golden. Then, pour in about 4 cups of vegetable broth and add your favorite spices, like a pinch of turmeric and a dash of black pepper. Let this mixture simmer gently for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. With your flavorful broth ready, it's time to add the stars of the show. Carefully add your chopped carrots, cabbage, and spinach to the simmering broth. Cook these vegetables until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Finally, introduce your noodles, cooking them according to package directions until they are just done, ensuring they don't become overcooked and mushy. Your homemade Veg Thukpa soup is now ready. Garnish each bowl with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright, zesty finish. Serve it immediately, enjoying the warm, comforting flavors you've created. For an even easier home life, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.